Hey guys, so we're going to do a beginner exercise, very beginner, somebody who is coming off of a surgery, somebody who is never exercised, or if you're more of an elderly person, this may be a great starting point for you. So push-ups are very hard, so one way that you can alleviate that is by coming higher up in your body position. So we're going to just take the wall. If everyone's got a wall, you start right there. We're going to have our hands equidistant, outside, slightly below our shoulders and slightly outside. You want to tuck your elbows in at roughly a 45-degree angle. You can even have them closer than that, but you just don't want to flare them out. That'll put strain on the shoulders. So coming to our wall, we're going to start off really close to it, and we're just going to come, and you can even touch the nose to it, pushing out like so. If you even need more assistance, you can take a staggered stance with your feet, have one a little bit forward and one a little bit back, and in that way you can use this front leg as almost like a third arm. So you can push off of that to give you even more stability. So going into the wall, pushing off, and you're good to go. So exhale, inhale on the way down, like so. As you get more comfortable with this, or if you want to make it a little bit harder before the next step, you can do this more of a dynamic, add a little clap in there, and you can kind of push off of that back leg to make it more challenging. So if we're like so, pushing the body off, add a clap in there. If you're not comfortable with taking both hands off, you do one at a time, like so. So you're still getting that force, but you're going to multiply it because you're having to control your momentum down. Do be careful though, because you don't want to run it into the wall, of course. So if you need to, have that front leg again in front to kind of brace. But this would be a great starting point if you're coming off of the surgery. Of course, not the dynamic motion, but that would be something you progress up to. Again, if you're beginner, surgery, or elderly, I would just start right here, or again with that other foot in front. And that will give you a lot of control and it'll be very safe. So hope this helps. Catch you in the next video.
If you want to see more workout videos that include a PDF that you can download, take to the gym with you, print off. If you want more fit foods, basically a recipe book, if you will, of what you can do to both satisfy the palate, but also help with your recovery and efforts in the gym. More vlogs, very similar to this, but in a more organized, broken down fashion that you can go step by step and really get the most out of it in an organized way. And basically, taking you from your fitness of A all the way through Z, giving you your blueprint fitness plan to get from beginner to intermediate to advanced, and anything in between. So check out davidtoddmiller.com for that. And if you guys have any questions, comments, put them in the comments below. Feel free to reach out at info@davidtoddmiller.com. And as always, have fun, work hard, and I'll catch you in the next video.